What's up everyone? I'm John Gizzi. Welcome back to the Machinist Corner. Today we're working on these full aluminum I-beams, and look at these things. These start off at 15 feet long, and then we cut them to all different sizes. We cut these I-beams down to 7.5, 6.5, and 5.5. Then this is one of the finished parts that's roughly about 3.5 feet long. So the setup on these I-beams are pretty easy. We throw 2 vices down on the table. We make sure they're parallel to each other within 1 thou. We throw the I-beams on, measure it up, and then run the program. On these I-beams, we roughly got about 30 holes. We first use a drill, and then we open it up with an end mill to get a consistent size. The next step to one of these parts is removing these flats to reveal a little tab. These aren't the hardest parts that I've done, but there's always difficulties in different parts that you do, and we have to hold tolerances on these just like other parts. No matter how hard or how easy these parts are, we're machining them exactly to our customer's drawings. When I finish these parts, I deburr them, make them look pretty, bring them to an inspection, they measure it, make sure it's all good, and then we ship it off to our customers. Thank you for watching. Visit our website for more information. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.